everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm on my way getting ready to pull up to Dollar General. I have to stock back up on my cleaning products and all of that good stuff. So last time I went to Walmart and did, I said let me try Dollar General because I have the app and you can get the coupons on there. I said, well, let me try Dollar General and try to save some money on because I have to buy all this stuff anyway. So, join me in the store and see what we... Let's see what they have. They got, I need the 30 gallon. The flesh. It's 30 gallon for $5.98. Get the aisle that I am looking for. Let's see. Get this one. Let's see the price on it. Let's see. Oh yes, the best. The double pack. Excuse me. Oh, I had got this one last time. This is good. Get some more of that. Oh, I don't see the Mr. Clean Gang. It's the one I really love. Them all the Febreze. Guess I'll settle with that one. And that's 4. Uh-oh, Lord. I need the waste nut. Alright. Oh, good. They got the... I'm gonna try this one. You guys had that one. It's $5.50. Make it both. Let's see. The washing stuff. Get the Downy Unstoppable. That one. And the other kind. We'll get spring welcome signs. Okay. Let's see there. Oh, that is beautiful. Blessed beyond measure. 15, yeah. 18, I mean. Alright, you guys, I'm back from the store and $153.74 later, but I needed that stuff, so I can't complain. So I got all of that, so now I am set until next month. I'm gonna put this in reverse and let me bag up. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later. I just want to come on and properly end the vlog. Yeah, don't forget to come over and join me on Fetch. Keep your receipts and download the app, and I'm gonna leave my referral code here, and then how the app should look here, and scan those receipts and get some points to get a gift card. So until next time, stay